Hey guys, 5-Star Ashley here at Hutchinson GMC Cadillac Buick in beautiful Macon, Georgia. I am driving a 2019 GMC Sierra 2500. It is black, it is beautiful, it is lifted. And guys, I keep talking about our inventory. I have Cadillacs that right here are used. I've got GMC Acadias, I've got Buick Enclaves, I've got the new 1500 diesels. Now I know that's different for a lot of people. Call me, I'll tell you all you want to know about it. It's really actually really cool. But guys, I've got the inventory. Here in just a moment we're going to talk about my truck inventory, but this one is absolutely beautiful. When you pull into a parking lot, I promise you every head in that parking lot will turn when you pull in with this truck. It is absolutely gorgeous, and when you drive it, it drives like a dream. As lifted as it is, you think that it would drive rough, because most lifted trucks do. This one doesn't. Call me 478-251-8477. Let's get you riding today.